Everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to take this paper plate and make cuts on the sides, and using these colorful threads we are going to make this beautiful design. Look how we are doing here. You just have to overlap the thread over the side cuts and you can create more these beautiful designs. Let's make these beautiful flowers using stick and yarn. First we are going to combine these bamboo sticks together. After this we are going to make the flowers, so we are going to overlap the thread. Now we are going to remove the thread like this, and then we are going to pull it tightly and give it a shape of flower, and look, it's ready. Paste it on the top of the stick and it's ready. Take a paper plate. Now we are going to make multiple cuts. You can take colorful yarn and put it at the center. Now we are going to put it on the cuts, look like this. After this we are going to remove it. Here we are going to braid them together and make a beautiful design. Look, the bracelet is ready. You can gift it to your friends. Look how pretty this colorful bracelet is looking. Look at this beautiful decor piece. Let's make it using colorful yarn. So we are going to tie one thread at the center. Now take small pieces of yarn and look, tie knot like we are doing here in this video. We are going to give it shape of leaf. After this we are going to apply glue and give it this proper shape. Now we are going to let it dry. Cut it from the sides and look, it's ready. So we are going to learn how you can make this beautiful design at home using colorful yarn. First, here we are going to take the empty box and make multiple cut on the top and bottom. Put the yarn. After this we are going to braid all of them together. So take a stick and tie the end of the thread. Now you can change colorful yarns over and over again using a comb. We are going to adjust it, cut it, and look, it's ready. We are going to make this beautiful design at home. All you need is a paper plate and some colorful yarn. So make multiple cut on the sides and then put this yellow color of yarn. After this we are going to take a stick and then we are going to start braiding these colorful yarns in a circle. Look how we are doing here. Finally we are going to tie a knot at the back side, cut it, and you will get this beautiful design at the end. Look, it's ready. Look at this beautiful craft. Let's make it at home. So we are going to take this blue color of yarn, roll it over fingers, now cut it. Now we are going to make this large pom-pom ball shape. After this we are going to comb it. Now we are going to make the eyes using clay balls. Put it on the top of it and look, it is ready. Let's make these flowers using fork and yarn. Here we are going to take a fork and roll the yarn around it. Now we are going to tie a knot. After this we are going to remove the yarn and your flower petal is ready. You can make more such colorful flower petals and then combine all of them together and sew them using a thread or needle, and look, your flower is ready. You can make more such colorful flowers like these. We are going to make this very cozy muffler at home. Here we are going to take these very thick thread. Now you can take an empty box and make multiple cut on the top of it. Here we are going to roll the thread on the top of it and we are going to braid it, tie a knot like this and increase the size. Finally we are going to tie a knot at one end and cut the extra part, and look, it is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.